Okay, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is a 19-inch front wheel that will work on a 77, 78 KZ1000A, 76, 77 KZ900A, as well as like a KH500 and many more. It's a natural finish uh, polish job. It's not gloss or anything. That's just the way they came from the factory. We do offer them in high gloss. This has been vapor blasted. It's got new bearings. We get these spokes from Japan. It's a brand new DID rim, and it's a very good choice for your restored bike. I'm gonna spin it. Very nice wheel. We offer these for sale on our webpage, and I hope you like it, and good luck. All right, thanks.